Mura dito last year, 2024. And actually, last year may pumasok din pong galing dito sa ICAS now cadet second class Baron Castro. Galing daw po siya dito sa ICAS. And nung first class ako sa academy, I was happy na finally meron ulit bagong generation na coming from ICAS is nakapasok na academy and hopefully makagraduate. And I was invited actually to give a talk for this Monday kasi opening po ata ng school year, and I think that I have to go back na po sa Villamor. Mamaya nga po yung flight ko. And ayun, siguro pag nakabalik and in case to my I would love to share and invite, of course, my fellow ICASians na pumasok din sana sa academy kasi yun siguro it only takes invitation pati sharing kung ano yung experience sa loob. And mostly kasi hindi ganun ka well-informed about sa academy, and that's why magandang privilege sana yung makapagbigay ng talk kahit sa mga ganitong simple. So again, thank you very much, Father, for this opportunity, and thank you ICAS de Calarian as a whole for being part of my growth and development. Kung ano ako ngayon, part yung ICAS sa naging journey ko, sa naging growth ko, sa naging development ko. And yun po. Thanks so much.
There's a certificate. Just a note, no? The Guban has been with the Lux Leadership Workshop. So for ICES, we've been a product of Carbon and Company. The youth of ICAS Calarian and the youth of San Roque. So this is a collaborative product talaga. As I do pray na a person with strong responsibility, military, but I believe with a heart. And that's a challenge during Stratland, excellence with the soul. So I hope na an image, an inspiration, mga dalaga, a way for us to really lead toward a certain degree of excellence. And I've been repeating the culture of excellence according to the Catholic standard. And here is an example, learning to really go back home and acknowledging how each and every one, some who have been a contributor, an inspiration to our learners. So on those little things that you do, congratulations. A simple token of a certificate of appreciation. Coordinator, sports coordinator. Sorry. Terus coordinator.
Immaculate Conception Archdiocesan School de Calarian Certificate of Recognition. This certificate is presented to Second Lieutenant Jan Michael E. Gumban in recognition of his return to his high school alma mater, Immaculate Conception Archdiocesan School de Calarian, as an esteemed graduate and proud alumnus of the Philippine Military Academy. Your presence serves as an inspiration to the students, exemplifying the values of discipline, service, and excellence. These achievements reflect great honor not only to the academy, but also to the institution that helped shape these early foundations. Given this 30th day of June 2025 at Immaculate Conception Archdiocesan School de Calarian, Upper Calarian, Zamboanga City. Signed, Reverend Father Elmer G. Sumile, RN, EDD, School Director, and Most Reverend Julius S. Tunel, DD, Archbishop of Zamboanga.
Okay. Sure. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Then we'll have him in the middle for group picture. 2 rows, pabor levanta. You know, go in the middle. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sample yearbook. Very live. Okay, we'll ask him to read in middle, el atrás, pabor levanta. Have a group picture.
Ay, sorry, ma'am.